Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is Embellishments on the 11th. Every month a group of us get together and, well, we don't do it together, but we all post videos on embellishments we've made this month. So I am going to show you some Halloween embellishments. I know it's crazy, it's September and I'm doing Halloween, but I wanted to give you time to make these if this might be something you wanted to make. So first of all, you have to know I used a Stampin' Up stamp set and some dies for the frames for it. It was an older one, maybe a couple of years old. It's Spooktacular Bash. And I really loved the sentiments. I loved the couple of little people. There was paper to match. I never got the paper. I wish I did. I love that paper. I wish I had bought all I could have when it was on sale. But anyhow, so I stamped the stamps. I used the dies to cut it out. And then I took some Copic markers and colored the little people, and even some of the sentiments I colored too. And by the way, here's a trick for you. So I stamped these guys on some gray paper, and then like the mummy needed to be white. So I took a white gel pen and colored him and then did the background. And this Franken Dracula, one of them I colored the face and then I wanted to color it with purple. I didn't like that purple, so I used another purple just to lighten it up around it. I probably should have just left alone, because look at the ones I left alone. They were fine. I did color the eyeballs white, but I don't think you can see it on here. But I do like the mummy with the white gel pen. And I really didn't color all of it, just sort of highlighted the center. So here, off camera, but almost on, I'm coloring one of the sentiments, there it is, with a Copic marker. I don't know if I end up using that one. This one with the gray, I decide color around it and then just sort of edge on the outline just to add a little dimension to it. I like how that one came out, so I do it for a couple more. So anyhow, gonna fast forward and move on. So in my Halloween stash, somebody had made a coffin, and so I took the template of the coffin and did my best to make it. But I mean, really the embellishment is not about the coffin, it's just how I embellish the top of the coffin. And you actually could use this embellishment in cards and that kind of thing. I just wanted to show you that you could use these embellishments to make treat boxes. And I don't remember if it was this year or last year that Stampin' Up! Had the coffins as treat boxes already for sale. I'm sure you can find them other places, but I think Stampin' Up! Had some great ones. And all you would have to do is trace the shape of it, and there you go. There you've got the outline of the coffin. And here I'm taking the outline of the coffin and tracing around it with pencil, and I am going to cut these out, and these are going to be what I end up decorating. And I wanted to show you this paper. All right, so it's really cute. I love the dogs. It was part of a pet paper that I used last year, and this one too. But wait till you see me turn it over. That's when the fabulousness begins. See? It's this iridescent sort of stuff. Oh no, I love it. Yeah, I like the purple spiderwebs too. But so here's all of the finished shapes, and I'm just trying to figure out what's going to go on what, and then I start gluing them all, and I will fast forward so you don't see me glue. And I went to the dollar store and grabbed this gauzy like stuff. I put some hot glue on it and I just pressed that down with my mat. But I want to find the fun fur that I used last year, and I've been to stores and I can't find it. If anyone knows who sells fun fur, let me know. And so here we go. Here is almost the final lineup. Of course, some I am going to back in the black and put the gauze on. I love the iridescent ones, although the orange one looked cute. I ended up with some stickers. I don't know if you saw that, but they came out really cool. I mean, they're all right. They're coffins. I love the iridescent ones though. Those are my favorite. See, look at that. Isn't that fabulous? See, wouldn't that be fun on a card? And there's one of the Coffin treat boxes. I had a sticker from my sticker sheet that was in my stash. So there we go. I want to thank Deb Hauk from Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage for sponsoring this. And don't forget to check out all of the other fabulous collaborators and see what they made for embellishments on the 11th. Have a fabulous day.